Are birds swooping in and feasting on your beautiful strawberry garden before you get a chance to enjoy it? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Hello. If you're new to our channel, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to keep your gardens thriving. Today, we'll explore 5 effective ways to protect your strawberry garden from pesky birds. Birds, while delightful creatures, can sometimes turn into a gardener's nightmare, especially when you're growing strawberries. Number 1. Netting. This is the simplest and most effective way. Install a sturdy net over your garden to form a physical barrier. Make sure the holes are small enough to prevent the smallest of birds from entering. Number 2. Scarecrows. A classic tactic, but it works. Place a scarecrow near your garden. Remember, changing its position regularly keeps the birds guessing and more likely to stay away. Number 3. Reflective objects. Birds hate shiny things. Hang CDs, aluminum foil strips, or small mirrors around your garden. The reflections can confuse and deter birds. Number 4. Garden decoys. A little trickery goes a long way. Fake predators like plastic owls or snakes can give birds second thoughts about feasting on your strawberries. And finally, number 5. Bird feeders. If you can't beat them, feed them elsewhere. Set up a bird feeder away from your garden. This provides an easier meal and can distract them from your strawberries. Those were the top 5 ways to protect your strawberry garden from birds. Remember, it may take a combination of these methods to keep those feathered invaders at bay. Got any tips of your own? Share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and share it with your fellow garden enthusiasts. Make sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you won't miss out on our upcoming videos. Until next time, happy gardening!